to seek and to follow him. And I met this Christian woman. Right after that, I said, I want to go in your church. I want to know Jesus. I want to read the Bible. And she said, okay. I begin with the Gospel of John. And I begin to read that Gospel. Never read in my life before. Never. Everything I read, I believe it. It's like that I seek for all my life. And when I read that Jesus died for my sins, I said, no, it's not possible. The God who came and to die for me, I was such a sinner. I said, I will give you my life and I want to follow you. And I was sick for 15 years. I had rheumatism. And before I get baptized, I went to the church after my job. I had such a pain, but I couldn't go home. I have to go to the church. I went to the church. And I believe in Jesus. I heard testimonies because it was a few weeks after I listened to the cassette. But I couldn't believe that he can heal. I believe everything is in the Bible, but he did it before. But I couldn't believe that he is healing now. The sermon was about faith. It was like, for the first time, I realized that I believe God, I believe in Jesus, but with some kind of limitations. And that day, I said, forgive me. You know everything. I think this sermon is for me, because you see my doubt. Forgive me. But you know this pain. The doctor said I will become lame, because it's a very tough disease. But you can heal me. Today I believe that you can heal me if you want. And I went home. I had such a pain. But when I went home, it's like if I take my medicine, I will offend God. I say, God, I'm not taking any medicine today. I believe you. If you want, you can heal me. If tomorrow you don't heal me, I will know you don't want to heal me. But I put all my faith in you. And I went to bed. When I wake up in the morning, I was healed, completely healed. Because for 15 years, I know the pain. And I begin to jump, to dance, and to call my daughter. Say, but God heals me, He healed me. And few days after that, I get baptized. I was so afraid for death, for many things. And all, He took it all, He removed it all. And when I read that He said He is a resurrection and life, those who follow Him, even they die, they will live again. And I believe it, and I say, I'm not afraid anymore about that, because I will be with Jesus, I will be with God. In my heart, I know one thing. I want to walk with Jesus until the end. Because He gave His life for me in the cross. He came from heaven so that I will see God, so that I will be forgiven, I will live with Him forever. I say, I give you everything, everything. I was in darkness and you came through this woman. And I ask always God to reveal Himself by His word, by Christian or by dream, as He wants. Because I know that many love the God that they don't know. I know that there was a God in the heaven, a God who created everything. I call him Allah, but I realize today he is the Father of Jesus Christ. He is not Allah. I pray that the Lord will give them a thirst for the truth. Because if they receive that thirst, they will seek him. And God said, if you seek me with all your heart, I will show myself to you. That's a promise of God. And the promise of God is true. God is not a liar. Jesus said, I'm the way, I'm the truth, the life. It's the truth. If they seek the truth, they will find him. They will find Jesus. He's not hidden. He's near. Only they have to seek him, to ask him if what they are seeking is true or not. And if they seek him, he will reveal himself. I have that confidence in my heart.